Another flat and choppy day in the market today. In this video, I want to show you guys on what the market is signaling to us, because what we have here on the market on the daily for the SPY is a insider candle. So I'll be explaining on what a insider bar or insider candle is in this video, so you will be learning something new into this video. And overall, I will also be talking about McDonald's, because McDonald's broke the major level of support and I had to stop out today for a 50% loss. So in this video, I'll be going over a lot. Make sure to leave a like and let's get started into this video. Now let's talk about the SPY. The overall market was flat. Okay, some stocks, even like Tesla, up over 2%. Oil actually did pretty decent today, but other than that, most of the market was choppy and it just traded sideways today. The SPY just down like 0.26%, but at open we were up. We were up 1% pre-market for the SPY. So we had a really similar day like yesterday. Okay, the market gapped up to yesterday it was running at market open, and it just came all the way back down at the level of support. And even if we take a look at the SPY and we take a look at these candles, okay, it was really just a repeat of yesterday. So the market is just trading sideways, and just look at where price rejected. Okay, as I talked about it in yesterday's video, it rejected the gap entry. Okay, so keep you guys in mind that we have a nice gap, and that is a psychological just a psychological play, that we have this gap, and if we break above this gap, we are going to be filling this so right around 372. But what I thought was very interesting is that we are trading sideways in a insider bar. And why are we trading sideways? What are we waiting for? Well, we have many reasons for that. Like tomorrow we do have Powell speaking, and next week on Friday we had the unemployment data, which I want to go over in another video. But we're taking a look at the SPY, and the SPY is signaling that we are trading sideways. And if we are trading sideways, what does that mean? We are setting up for a move to the either side. So this is going to be very important, because we have a major level of resistance where the bulls need to break this level, and then we have a major level of support where bears need to break this level. And it all depends upon where we close. If we close below this level of support, we have more room to the downside. Why? Because that is psychologically going to tell us that we have broken the trend and we have broken the previous level. And as I said in my last video, that is going to cause a lot of panic. On the other hand, the other scenario, the bullish scenario, we have a gap at $370. So 370 is an even number. So psychologically, that just sounds great. And for the bulls, if we can break that, we have a gap to 373. And not only that, we also have a gap, around $406, but that is a little bit far. But we are waiting for catalysts, and we are waiting for news. We have Powell tomorrow, and next week we have unemployment data. So it is just going to be a matter of time. And remember, this is normal. If we take a look at history, okay, and history doesn't repeat, history rhymes. We have many scenarios where we just trade sideways. That is how we play. Okay, that is how we play the market. We play off consolidation periods. The market has been trading sideways for a while. It needs to move to the upside, and whichever side it breaks, we play that side. So trading sideways is again normal, and that is the best time, okay, because we are setting up for a very nice opportunity. So it might be a week, it might be 2 weeks. Okay, we don't know, but on average, SPY trades sideways for 7 days. So for a week, a full week, before it breaks out, to the either side. So that is going to be very important to watch. So that is one thing just to be careful that tomorrow might just be another choppy day where we go up to the resistance, we reject the resistance, and we come all the way back down. Now let's talk about McDonald's, okay? Because as you guys know, I was bullish on McDonald's. I got a month out calls. I made a whole video on this, but today, it's down around 3%, okay? It broke a major level of support. Now, first thing to do is that we need to be transparent, about our losses. We need to take that in, because if we don't blame ourselves, we are not going to learn anything in the near future. Now, overall, McDonald's was really not following the market, okay? At pre-market, the whole market was up and McDonald's was lagging behind. So that is one thing that I saw. And once SPY, took the knife and it started plummeting, McDonald's had a very, very sharp dive. And overall, we have a massive red candle, and then we have massive selling pressure with the volume. So overall, again, it is just kind of like that probability game that we broke this level of support and we need to move on. We can't blame Powell. There wasn't any catalyst. It was just that probability. But overall, with McDonald's, it doesn't look good. We have another support down below. So maybe it needs to find the next level of support. And I'll keep you guys updated on my next plays. Again, as long as if we have more losses than wins, we are good. The meta play was incredible. That was a 200% gainer. Oil stocks, over 80% gainer. So, that is just something to keep in mind, that we are going to be having more plays, and it is very, very important that, we are transparent. We, see those losses, and we see, how we can learn from that. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very simple video. Next week, unemployment data, that is going to be huge. Okay, I'll be talking about that in another video. Unemployment data is going to be huge, especially since Powell wants more unemployment. Okay, we want, to have people go jobless. Why? Because that is going to solve the problem with inflation. If we want to solve inflation, we need to destroy the demand, and we need to, have people jobless so they spend less on groceries, and we want to tighten in the economy. So I will go that in a whole video, possibly tomorrow or next week, but I want to go in very, very in-depth in that video and why we need to see unemployment. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.